First, turn off the phone. Use a 5-point screwdriver to remove the 2 screws at the bottom. Use a hairdryer to evenly heat the edge of the screen for 3 to 5 minutes. Place the suction cup at the bottom of the screen and lift it up slightly to create a gap. Use a triangular pry tool to insert into the gap, and gently slide left and right to carefully separate the screen assembly from the midframe. Flip the screen open to the left, but not more than 100 degrees. Use a triangular screwdriver to remove the screws securing the screen ribbon cable, sensor ribbon cable, and battery ribbon cable. Place the removed screws separately, then remove the metal plate and disconnect the ribbon cables before removing the screen. Take out the new screen and check its appearance for damage. Connect the new screen's ribbon cable connector to the motherboard. Power on the device and check if the touch and display on a new screen are working properly. After confirming everything is correct, power off the device. Disconnect the new screen's ribbon cable and remove the new screen. Use a screwdriver to remove the 3 screws and the retaining plate from the old screen's sensor ribbon cable. Use a hairdryer to heat the back of the old sensor ribbon cable area for 3 to 5 minutes. Then gently pull the sensor ribbon cable away. Install the sensor ribbon cable onto the new screen in the corresponding positions. Install the retaining plate and secure it with the 3 screws. Remove the backlight film from the location where the sensor cable was installed on the new screen. Connect the sensor cable, screen cable, and battery cable and reinstall the retaining plate and screws. When snapping the screen in place, start from the top. Then gently press down on both sides to ensure it's properly engaged. Power on the device to check the screen display and touch functionality. After confirming the screen installation is correct, use a 5-pointed screwdriver to reinstall the 2 screws at the bottom. Screen replacement complete.